let's see what has happened this week on the Euro USD currency pair. We can see that the week has started with a bearish candle. We can see this candle here, right here. And in the previous analysis, I have mentioned that there is a possibility that the price could drop down and reach this price level here, which is the bottom of the previous week. And also we can see that this week, this candle has a wick that has reached this monthly support trend line. Now on a Tuesday we can see that the price has reversed back up because the bulls who have defending this area here was enough strong to push the price again higher against this bearish push in the previous week. So on a Wednesday, we can see that the bulls have managed to push the price above the previous highs, above this previous week, above this previous week, and also the price managed to reach again this area around where the supply zone is, where 1.10755 resistance level is. We can see that the sellers who are pushing the price from this area down on a Thursday, they managed to push the price again back down. We can see that the price is still in the uptrend line, which is also a great signal for the bulls, and we can see that the price on a Friday reached again the lower level. We can see it here, which is the lowest level for the candles open and closed price for this week, and the price reverses back up. So this means that the area here, which is currently a demand zone where the bulls are fighting and pushing the price higher, was strong enough to leave the price above this support 1.09860 price level, and it stayed above for the whole week. So let's see what has happened on a weekly time frame to get a better picture how the weeks are doing. So we can see after the previous week, which is close to a bearish pin bar, we can say that the price has bounced between these two price levels. The highest price where the price has reached is 1.109, and the lowest price is 1.09. So it is 100 pips that the price is jumping around. So we can see that the week has ended almost on the same open price, but the week has ended with the smallest drop since the start of this week. So this candle, as we can see it currently, is indecision candle, which means there is a fight between the bulls and the bears. Which is good is that the price did not close below the previous week low, and also the price stayed above this close price. If we take a look on a monthly time frame, because we are in the first week of the May, we can see the same scenario for this week, because the current time frame is the monthly time frame, which has only 1 week passed. So we can see the same picture what we currently have, but what is important is that the price has dropped down to this monthly trend line support, and the price has bounced, which is a great signal also here visible. So if we take a look on these three time frames for the monthly, weekly and the daily time frame, we can see what could happen in the following period, and that is the following week. On the monthly time frame we cannot say too much, because currently what can happen in the following week is the better to see on the weekly time frame. But what we can see here is the good that the price has reached this trend line support, and it has bounced back up. It did not close below this previous month close price, which is a great signal that the bulls who are defending this demand zone is still strong, and they are not allowing the price to drop down. This horizontal support level, which is at 1.09860, is showing us that on a monthly time frame is still holding, but until the month doesn't end, we cannot confirm that this breakout in the previous month has been confirmed. So for now, on the monthly time frame, this looks very good. We have one signal that is confirming that this uptrend support line is holding, and the bulls have not allowed the price to drop down. Let's go on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we can see that the price has bounced, and it is currently inside this area between the support on a monthly time frame and also support on a daily time frame, which is 1.10755. So for the next week we can see that the price enough space to bounce again between these two price levels, and one of the critical levels for the price is this one, 1.105 price level, because we can see in the past price had problems breaking above this price level, and price had indecision between the bulls and bears. We can see that this area here around 1.10755 is the supply zone where the sellers are pushing the price down, but we also have the bulls around here around 1.09860 that is defending the demand zone, and also around this area where the monthly support trend line is. So for the following week, I'm expecting the price will continue to push up again to reach the higher level and to reach 1.105 and close the price above that. On the lower side, we can see that the critical level is here, right here on the support level, and you can see the previous candles where there was confluence between the support and resistance levels. So 1.09860 is a critical level on a weekly time frame. So if the price closes below that price level in the following week, we can expect that the price will drop down to this level, which is 1.09247, the first level for the price where the price had problem in the past. If the price stays above, we can expect and the price will reach 1.105, and if it closes above that, then we will see will it manage to reach higher levels, where the next level, where the next resistance is 1.112. We can see in the past that this price level was the level where the price had problems between support and the resistance levels. It will be also above 1.10755 on a weekly time frame, where we can see this resistance level that is holding the price from moving to higher levels. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see what do we have here. So the critical level for the bulls in the following week is this one, 1.105 price level, where we are expecting that the price to close the price above to confirm that the price has found enough strength to attack the 1.10755, which is the first resistance level for the price. Just a minute, I need to fix this one because visibility should be only on days. This is a daily time frame. So below that, if the price stays above 1.097 on the daily time frame, this will mean that the bulls are still enough strong to hold the price above that. If the price goes below that, we can expect that the next level where the price will move is 1.0949, and below that is 1.0922. So these are the price levels that are similar to the weekly time frame we have seen, and also above that we can see that the price level where the price needs to go above is 1.10755, that needs to break up above and be confirmed. So if the price goes above 1.1057 in the following week, we need to see the price closing above 1.10755 to confirm the first attempt of the breakout to the upside. So if the price goes above, we can expect that the price will try to reach and hold the price above this price level. But until the price goes outside of this indecision area, which is a range area for the price, we can see that this range has started in the previous week and it's holding between these two price levels. So this means there is still fight between the bulls and bears, but also we have this critical level 1.09860 on a monthly time frame, which needs to stay above to be confirmed as a bullish breakout above this resistance level. So this one is a pretty critical level. So we can see that on the daily time frame we have a fight between the bulls and the bears, and for the first week we can see that there is also a fight for this area. So this shows us that there is selling pressure here around this price level that is preventing the price to move to the higher levels, but also we have the bulls that are pushing the price since here, in this area in the March, that they are still holding and pushing the price to higher levels. So it will be hard for the sellers to push the price below this area, especially this one here, because this one 1.08846 is a confluence of support where we can see that we have a weekly and also we we have a monthly support levels that will prevent that from happening. So let's see what happens for the next week. Will the price stay still inside the range area between these two price levels, or it will make a breakout to the upside?
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!